Master the art of safe motorcycle riding. Riding a motorcycle is thrilling, but safety should always come first. Let's dive into essential tips for a safe ride. Before setting off, always don your helmet. It's not just a legal requirement, it's your primary defense against potential injuries. Never underestimate the significance of protective clothing. A good jacket, trousers, boots, and gloves can protect you from severe road accidents. Pay attention to your motorcycle's maintenance. Regular checks for tire pressure, brake function, and oil levels can prevent unexpected issues on the road. Awareness is your best friend. Always keep an eye on the road, anticipate potential dangers, and adjust your speed according to traffic conditions. Learn to use both brakes effectively. The front brake provides more stopping power, whereas the rear brake helps keep the bike stable. Lastly, respect the weather. Inclement conditions can alter the road's attributes. Rain, snow, or wind, adjust your riding accordingly and stay safe.